Bitcoin mining difficulty is one of the most ingenious features of the Bitcoin network. It's an automatic mechanism that ensures the network operates smoothly and predictably, no matter how many miners are participating. In this video, we'll explore how Bitcoin maintains consistent block times through its difficulty adjustment system. Bitcoin faces a critical challenge. It needs to maintain a predictable block time of approximately 10 minutes, regardless of how many miners join or leave the network. Without this consistency, the entire system would become unstable. Imagine if blocks were created randomly, sometimes in seconds and sometimes in hours. Transaction confirmations would be unpredictable, and the network's security could be compromised. Let's consider two scenarios. If more miners join the network without any adjustment, their combined computing power would solve the cryptographic puzzles much faster, and blocks would be found too quickly. Conversely, if miners leave the network, the remaining computing power would be insufficient, and blocks would be found too slowly. Both situations would disrupt Bitcoin's carefully designed supply schedule and security model. Mining difficulty is a measure of how hard it is to find a valid hash that meets the network's requirements. Think of it as the height of the bar that miners need to jump over. When difficulty is higher, miners need to perform more computational work to find a valid block. When it's lower, less work is required. This difficulty acts as the primary control mechanism for maintaining consistent block production. Here's how Bitcoin keeps everything balanced. Every 2016 blocks, the network automatically checks its performance. At the target rate of 10 minutes per block, 2016 blocks should take exactly 2 weeks, or 20,160 minutes. Based on how long it actually took, the network adjusts the difficulty to bring block times back to the 10-minute target. The calculation is straightforward. The new difficulty equals the old difficulty multiplied by the ratio of actual time to target time. If blocks came faster than expected, meaning the actual time was less than the target time, the difficulty increases. If blocks came slower than expected, the difficulty decreases. This simple formula keeps Bitcoin's block production remarkably consistent over the long term. Let's look at concrete examples. If 2016 blocks are mined in just 12 days instead of 14, blocks were produced about 17% too fast. The network responds by increasing difficulty by 17%. On the other hand, if those blocks took 16 days, they were 14% too slow, so difficulty would decrease by 14%. These adjustments happen automatically without any human intervention. This automatic adjustment mechanism is crucial for 3 main reasons. First, it ensures predictable block production, which means users can reliably estimate transaction confirmation times. Second, it maintains network security regardless of how much hash power is active at any given time. And third, it keeps Bitcoin's supply schedule on track, ensuring that new Bitcoins are released at the predetermined rate. This elegant solution allows Bitcoin to adapt to changing conditions while maintaining its core properties.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.